how to change your verification email and also your email for your Discord account. So what I've gone ahead and done is got our setup here. So we have a Discord account that I'm creating, obviously a fake account, the real fake Chungus at chungus.com. Okay. And then I've also set up a fake Gmail account, which we'll be using to send the fake, well, also real verification email to once we've changed our email. So we'll go ahead and create this account here. Okay, so we've just created this account. And then it's going to ask us, of course, to please check your email to follow the instructions to verify your account. Well, since I'll go down here to the user settings options and click on edit for my account in the my account user settings tab. And then in here, you'll notice from below the unverified account resend verification email. If you have the wrong email in here or it's typed incorrectly from what you originally signed up to your Discord account with, or you want to use a different email account for your Discord account, this is where you'll go ahead and change it. Okay, so obviously the real fake Chungus at chungus.com I don't have access to, and it's not even a real email address. Okay, so what we'll have to do is put in the email address we'd like to use. In your case, you would use the email address that you'd be desired to be using. So I have this email that I've created right here, super fake, super not real. Okay, we'll paste that in there. All right, and then put in the password for your account. Then hit save. Okay, so now my email has been updated. Now what I'm going to do is select the resend verification email. Now it says we have sent a new verification email to my fake email address. I'll go back here and you'll notice, ooh, I now have the verification email here. I'll click on verify email and click I'm not a robot. Go through the CAPTCHA. Cool. Continue Discord. Open Discord. Alright, go back to Discord. You'll notice that the verification thing is now gone. So that is how you verify your account / also change your email in Discord. If when you set up your Discord account you accidentally mistyped your email or you want to change it to a different email address.